all know government. Government is very well regulated. It's organised. It has grading structures across government. It's very standardised in many ways. However, it's huge. And in anything huge, you will get differences between different parts of it. And that's for good operational reasons in all cases, I'm sure. But what it means is when you make an assumption about everybody, it can be very dangerous. In this particular case, the Ministry of Defence broke our assumptions about particular levels of civil servants reporting to the minister, because they had some civil servants of the level reporting to the minister and other civil servants who didn't. The grading structure, civil service has a grading structure. However, there are occasions where, for various reasons, the system needed to be able to accept equivalent to a particular grade rather than the grade itself, or needed to be able to accept parts that were correct and flag up for support other aspects that broke the rules. Duplicate update dates, whether that's because the civil servant made a mistake or made a change for very good reasons. There were cases of duplicate uploads where they uploaded the same data twice, which of course breaks your unique references. So what do? We replaced the Excel wrap with the CSV to Turtle transformation. This was more reliable, fundamentally, it was what we were aiming for. Validation now takes place entirely within the spreadsheet, so that people who are submitting the data, when they believe they've done it, and they've got it right, and there's no second bite of the cherry having to go back and rework. Data owners upload the spreadsheet direct to a preview server so that it can then be accessed, and it can be accessed on their iPad if they wish, and if they're running alongside the minister or is on his way to the House, for example. But there were constraints on what we could do. In the public sector in particular, and central government, it very much uses the GSI as a government secure intranet as a platform for its IT systems. And the GSI causes issues in terms of VBA code being inappropriate technically. We could have used signed macros. That would have helped. However, we've got 200 sets of users. Some stage, so hopefully soon, hopefully, it'll be 400 users. And having to test signed macros on all their systems and provide that level of support wasn't practical, so we had to find ways around that. I won't go into the micro detail of the next bullets, but suffice it to say, along the lines of, it was all about making this process more intuitive for users, finding things that they would learn to do themselves so they didn't have to be manually pulled through each time.